hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and through.
This first level of compaction is almost done. I'm gonna get my rake, rough it all back up again, and then go ahead and put the seed down while this is going on. And then run over it again with that thing and just pack that crap down in there. This rain's supposed to continue for like the next day and a half. So as soon as it's over, I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize this thing and get it just rocking and rolling. I think from here you can get a little better view of the way this thing is going to look. So you can see where I tracked in with the rake around that side. That's actually all going to be probably a bed more than anything else. Could end up being a different kind of turf. But if you look down here where the pipe is, kind of how it runs across, that whole thing still has yet to come up about 8 inches. So it'll come up level to where the apron is on the building. The driveway gets poured and filled kind of up along that side, so I'll have this whole area that has to come up where those sprinkler heads will sit level, and it'll just sort of fall down onto where the green area is, and that still gives me enough to have a nice little bit of, you know, short fringe around the thing. And, you know, we'll see how it looks when it's done.